Hi guys, my name is Alex. I am one of the GEARUP tutors over at the Valle Middle School, and today we're going to dive into some Algebra 1 lessons directly for you. Be sure to pay attention because these are very important skills that you will use in your high school days, especially for those going into algebra. Good morning class, I am Mr. Smith, your teacher for Algebra 1, and today we are going to be working on solving linear equations with unknown coefficients. So right now, what I'm going to do first is just write the equation on the board. So for today, our equation is going to be 8x plus 3x is equals to bx plus 5. This is going to be today's equation. So now I would like to ask if one of you would like to volunteer and try to solve this out. There's no harpies, not everyone at once, please. Thank you so much for volunteering. So now remember, you're going to solve this linear equation with unknown coefficients, and you're going to solve it step by step just so you and your teammates can understand this problem. So the first thing we have to do is we have to get all of the x's onto one side. So that means we have to move this one over here, and since this one is positive, then we have to subtract a minus bx to both sides. That way this cancels and we have a new equation which looks like this: 8x plus 3x minus bx, because we moved it to the other side, is equals to 5. And then after this we have to get x by itself. But we can't divide by x. But what I can do is factor it out. So if I leave x by itself and add parentheses, a plus 3 minus b is equals to 5. And then I need to get x completely by itself. So then what I need to do is get rid of this. And since technically this is multiplying, I would have to divide by a plus 3 minus b. And what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So then I would divide 5 by a plus 3 minus b. That way, this cancels, this stays together. So in the end, I have that x is equals to 5 over a plus 3 minus b. And that would be your final answer. Very good job. I'm actually impressed you were able to solve this problem being your first time taking this class. You were able to get x by itself, you did step by step, and you find the final solution for x. Good job! Oh, actually I've taken this class before. Alright everyone, so to recap today's lesson, always make sure you move your x or your y, or whatever the variable is that you're looking for, to one side either by adding or subtracting. Then make sure you isolate it by factoring out, and then get it by itself on one side by either dividing or multiplying. I really hope that this video was very useful to all of you and that you can keep using it again for your Algebra 1 class. Once again, if you guys still have problems trying to solve these equations, you can always refer back to tutor.com for that extra help. There's always going to be a tutor right there willing to help you out. Once again, my name is Alex, and I look forward to seeing all of you in high school.